Hi, I'm Olivia, and that's Olivia, and welcome to the Friday the 15th announcements. Now let's get started with our East announcements. Spanish 2, 3, and 4 students, there's still time to go to Spain this summer. Stop by and speak with Mr. Valdez. Every student interested in being involved in Dutch dance this year, please attend an informational meeting on December 5 at 7 in the Zeeland East cafeteria. Parents are more than welcome to come, actually encouraged to come. We will discuss schedule, expectations, and of course, costumes. If you had your picture retaken on retake day, the packets and ID cards are in. Please come and see Mrs. Rounds in the main office to pick up yours. Any student interested in becoming manager of the varsity basketball team this winter, please see and contact Mr. Cochran. Now to Olivia for your West announcements.
Thanks. Those wishing to participate in the student versus teacher dodgeball game can collect sign-up sheets during lunch. Sign up is now through next Wednesday for the low price of $6 per person. The event will be held at the Zeeland West Gymnasium, November 25 at 7:30. Seniors, check out the list of available college scholarships on the announcements webpage. The deadlines are coming up soon. Seniors, senior portraits are due to the yearbook staff on January 3, 2014. Please submit your senior portrait via email to mcosta1@zps.org at your earliest convenience. That's all for today, Zeeland student. I'm Olivia, she's Olivia, and go Ducks!
Waiting for a light that never comes. I change.